I'm just Mustanged out, man. I got about like what, 3 or 4 Mustangs now.
I know the dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the times bust. Out the window like cuss cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. Let me lock this goddamn truck up, man. So we about to head up into this goddamn auction because I gotta try to win something, man. But then again, though, I got a few cars. I got a few cars for sale already. So I mean, I'm just gonna try to get some cheap cars. So if I can get some people some cheap, reliable, some affordable and reliable cars, man. So I gotta try to get some cheap cars, man. Shit been going very, very high. You know, I got too much money in some of my cars, but you know, what's going on, man? Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna try. Huh? Hell yeah. But yeah, I'm just trying to. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all, give y'all a little game, man. When y'all have like a lot of these dealers, when they have like too much in some cars, but not all cars. Let's say if you bought like 2 cars that you overpaid for and 3 cars you got super good deals on, what you do is you do some basic math, divide, add up all the money that you're gonna spend on all 5 of those cars, divide them by 5 and spread out the money in all of them. Then you should have some good even out deals on your cars if they're kind of like the same kind of worth the same amount of money, you know, worth the same amount. So that's just a little game, man. If you ever get caught up doing that, get you up out of some shit, so you won't really be taking no losses or whatever. Or you can do, sometimes what I do is break even, man. It's just like take a refund like at Walmart, man. When you return something, you use something, return it back to Walmart. So it's like same thing, man. You just get your money back. So sell the car for what you got in it, for you can keep rolling, for you can stay in the game, man. But I hate to see y'all just lose all your goddamn money, man. I done seen it so much. People lost all their goddamn money. They get out here and just do the fool and just be like, just go broke. Like I done seen it so many times. They really be going broke though. It ain't even funny. But anyways, man, we over here at Oklahoma Auto Exchange, man. You see it? Y'all get a chance to come out here and roll up here, man. And it's dealer only auction, so you gotta have some dealer license to get up here. So we're gonna see what kind of deals we can get, man. The auction already started, y'all know. Like I always say, man, I'm always late, I'm always on my way, and enough hours in the day to be luck. Let's get it. See how much this Mustang go for, y'all.
Big grand, get it to 21, get it to 21. Big grand, get it to 22, 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 get it to 22. You get 22, phone call 2100 301 301. His number. Number 125.
At 2100, man. Y'all comment below, let me know is that worth it or not for that Mustang. 2100. I think I got a good deal. Y'all comment below, let me know is that worth it or not. I don't know. I could probably make some money on it. It went cheaper than that damn Camaro last week. Shit. I don't know. Y'all comment below, let me know. 2100 worth it for that Mustang. I don't know. I think I can make at least 35, sell it for 3500. At least. I can make some money. The least I can make is what? Sell it for 3,000, make profit. I don't know. Shit. But anyways, guys, we're on to the next. Let's get it. Guys, I'm about to try to steal this Chevy Aluminum. Let's go see. Hopefully I get a good deal on this thing, man. Old Chevy Aluminum.
274, 175. Good gears. 3 and another. 2 another 3. Good 3. 3 4. 5. 5 and out. 5 6. 7. It's another 8. 8.
800, $800, man. Y'all comment below, let me know, was that worth it, man? I think I can only get like 1,000 or 1,200 max for that car. 800 was too much for that aluminum, man. 800 was too much for that aluminum, man. Daniel, what you think? Was it too much? $800 for aluminum? Hell yeah, bro. You gonna be, after the fees, you had 1,000. What you gonna sell it for, 1,200?
You can make it about $300.
Make about like $200 or $300, man. I don't know, that's a risk though. Or it might just be sitting at your lap for like a whole month.
Yeah, that's $800. That's $800 on a car that you don't even know what's wrong with it. You might have to put the additional money into it.
That's true. So y'all comment below, let me know, is that worth it or not? So now I'm in this Cobalt, this 2-door one, the black one. If y'all remember, the one that, you know, they be dipping in traffic, you know? The one, look how it's dipping though, y'all. I don't know, can y'all, all y'all seen this? It's dipping. It's dipping, y'all. Just gassing. Hey, actually, I'm not even gassing. All I'm doing is just keep pressing on the brakes. Just keep pressing on the brakes. It's dipping. So, anyways, guys, I'm about to drop this car off to go get the 2 front struts put on the front. Go pick up my Mustang. They put the alternator on there. If y'all seen the other video, I went to go pick up my car. There was a goddamn possum in the Camaro. Ugh. Then the Mustang, the alternator, it just kept dying. Like he took the chargers off, it'll shut off. So I don't know, man. I'm about to pick up this goddamn Mustang. I probably won't be getting it ready today. I'll probably get it ready tomorrow. I don't know. I got so much shit going on. I just need to drop this off and pick that one up. Get that one back to my possession, and then I'll probably clean it up tomorrow. Anyways, guys, let me get up over here to the mechanic shop and let me jump up in this Mustang. So we over here at Kowloon on 21st and May, Southwest OKC, man. If y'all want y'all cars fixed, man, they give y'all good deals. Let them know Lucky Cindy, man. Ask for Jenner. Jenner's the owner. Hey, look at this stuff. I just want y'all to see how bad this shit dipping. This shit dipping, y'all. This shit dipping. Look at that thing dipping. That thing dipping. Hold on. I gotta do it again though. Look. Let's get this thing dipping. Let's get this thing pumping and jumping, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. And it's still bouncing. Still bouncing. Yeah, they gonna fix that, man. Both front shocks are gone and out. Hey, they still got this Mustang up here. I think he probably driving this as a personal. But anyways, man, we got this Mustang. I'm just Mustanged out, man. I got about like what, 3 or 4 Mustangs now. Yeah, I thought I was the Chevy guy. What I'm doing with a Ford. Shit, trying to make money. Trying to make some damn money. That's what I'm doing with a Ford. So y'all see it, man. I'm gonna clean this thing up. Not today. It's not really that dirty. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get this bad boy ready though. You see it? Hop up in this thing. Start it up. Where the key at? Oh, right here. And it's a process with these cars, man. It's a big process. You gotta go look for them or buy them. You gotta go clean them up, buy the supplies to do that. You gotta go run and go get parts. You gotta get them, gotta fix them or get them fixed. You know, gotta switch over the title. Go pick up the title. Go switch over the title. Pay for that. You know, it's a whole bunch of pay for the car. Like, man, there's just a whole bunch of steps to this, man. It's not just got the car, sell it. It don't work like that, y'all. Gotta put gas in these cars. And everything's very time consuming. So just imagine when you're doing all the work and you gotta sell all the cars yourself. Safety first, y'all. Gotta put the seatbelt on. Damn. good ass Mustang. Fucking drives good. So I'll take this back and get this shit ready. I probably won't get it ready today. You know what I mean? It's already fucking hot. And I ain't trying to do a whole bunch of cleaning. Or I might if I get bored. I don't know. I'll probably just most likely, I think I got the spare in the back, so I gotta get another rim put on here. It's just money after money after money. And then you gotta calculate all this shit, man. Don't try to keep it in your head and try to remember this shit. This is AC work though, man. It'll work. I could have sworn it worked. And now I need to turn back around and get it fixed. Yeah, that's why I thought the AC worked, because I would have told them to fix the AC. I hate taking cars back to the mechanic shop after you already take them out. I mean, okay, the AC feels good now. Yeah, it's feeling good. Ain't no gas. Fuck. I hate putting gas in these goddamn cars, man. It's time consuming and it's money. You know what I mean? But eventually I need to put some gas in there, you know, for the test drive for the customers or whatever. Or if I want to run them through auctions or whatever, man. So shit, anyways, guys, we on to the next. Let's get it. Man, it was a long day, man. I'm burnt the fuck out. All behind the scenes of the videos, man. I be still working, still grinding, man. I just don't record every single thing I do. But man, man, I'm tired, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. You know how to bring out the vet, man. Shit, man, I have to enjoy myself, man. It's a nice day. It's not too hot. The sun is coming down a little bit. I had to come over here and go get me a carne asada fries, man. I'm gonna show y'all this place in a minute, man. If y'all in the OK City, man, I ain't getting no sponsorship or nothing, man. This shit is good. I don't know what they fuck. This shit is fucking bomb. I'm gonna pull up into this little taqueria. I'm gonna show y'all this little carne asada fries that I like, man. My uncle and my brother put me on the spot. I ate here a while back, but I never had no carne asada fries ever since, man. I at least come here like twice a week. It's right here, man. You see it? I'm on the south side. Pull up, man. Damn. Supposed to be on the upper. Hey, around this side of town, they don't know how to drive, buddy. Damn, shit kind of low. Okay. Oh yeah, y'all see it. Let me order my food and I'm gonna show y'all. Let me turn this off. So let me show y'all what this shit look like, man. Look at them. Oh man, that shit looks so good. So bomb, man. Y'all see that? Got the steak fries. Look. Shit looking good. Carne asada fries. You know what I mean? From the taqueria. You gotta have my horchata. Boy, y'all know I'm from Cali. Shit, I grew up on that Mexican food. But anyway, let me walk around before I start eating. But once I start eating, man, I'm gonna get full and get tired. I'm gonna chill up. I'm over here at the park, man. I'm just chillaxing. I'm just eating in my car. But look at Zelly one time, man. You know Zelly don't get enough playtime as it is. You know what I mean? I love this goddamn car though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all see it. But anyways, guys, man, shout out to the whole fucking Lucky Nation. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wilson Disney, I'm out. Yay!
I pull a heater, man. Never follow a leader, man. Even though we try, it's hard to beat 'em, man.